Hello students, are you ready for the exam? Test yourself with this 3 minutes quiz on algebra. Get ready a pen and some papers and practice along with me. Question number 1. Let's factorize 6x cubed plus x. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Why? 6x cubed plus x can be expressed as 6 times x times another x times another x. And this x here, you can express it as x times 1. So we can see that the common factor is x here, which we're going to factorize it. And when we factorize the x out, you're left with 6 times x, that gives you 6x squared. And if you take out the x, you're left only with 1. So therefore, the answer is C. Question number 2. Factorize 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. If you have used the calculator to help you factorize this expression, all right, the answers that you'll be getting, the answers that you will see on the calculator is x equals to half or x equals to negative 3. Right, so x equals to half is an answer, a value. We're going to work backwards to convert it into a linear factor. So we're going to multiply by 2 on both sides. And you will have 2x equals to 1 minus 1 on both sides, so that you have 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So this is one linear factor. And for the other one, we're going to add 3 on both sides. You end up getting x plus 3 equals to 0. So combining these two linear factors, we will get bracket 2x minus 1 times x plus 3. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Question number 3. Simplify 6x squared times y over 3xy to the power of 4. What's your answer? Let's try to work it out. 6x squared times y means 6 times x times another x. And y, then over 3 times x. Y to the power of 4 means y times y times y times y. All right, so we can see that y divided by y, that gives you 1. X divided by x, that gives you 1. And 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. So combining them, you will have 2x over y cubed. So the correct answer is B. Question number 4. Simplify 5x cubed over 2 divided by 3x squared over 8. What's your answer? Let's do it. 5x cubed over 2. First of all, we need to change the division sign to multiplication. And the next thing is to flip the second fraction to be 8 over 3x squared. We're going to multiply the numerator to get 40x cubed. Multiply the denominator to get 6x squared. So 40 divided by 6, if you were to use your calculator, you will get 20 over 3. And x cubed means x times x times x. And x squared means x times another x. So you see that this and this will give you 1, this and this will give you 1. So the answer you should be getting is 20x over 3. And that is B. Did you manage to get it correct? Question 5. Expand and simplify bracket 2x minus 1 close brackets to the power of 2. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. And why is that so? Because bracket 2x minus 1 to the power of 2 means bracket 2x minus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Okay, the sign for both linear factor must be negative, negative. So how do we do it? We're going to use the distributive law. Take 2x, which is the first term here, multiply with the second linear factor. Go back to the second term in your first linear factor, which is negative 1, multiply with your second linear factor. So 2x times 2x will give you 4x squared. 2x times negative 1 will give you negative 2x. Negative 1 times 2x will be negative 2x. Negative times negative will give you positive 1. Simplify further, that will give you negative 4x plus 1. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Question number 6. Simplify 4 minus 3 bracket x minus 3 close bracket. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. And why is that so? 4 minus 3 bracket x minus 3. There are two terms here. This is 1 and this is a second term. So we're going to leave 4 alone. For this second term, we're going to use the distributive law, which is we take negative 3, multiply with x. Then go back to negative 3 again, multiply with negative 3. So that will give us 4 minus 3x. Negative times negative will give you positive 9. And that gives us 4 plus 9 minus 3x. And that gives us 13 minus 3x. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Question 7. Simplify 2x squared minus 8y squared. What's your answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Why is that so? 2 is a common factor here. So we can extract it out. And this, recall this algebraic identity. A squared minus B squared, a very popular one. You can factorize it into A plus B times A minus B. So how do we do it? Basically, your x squared is just x times x. Your 4y squared, we can break it up into 2y, multiply with another 2y. So using this algebraic identity, I would need to have two brackets there. The first one will be the x, one of the x come in here, minus one of the y come in here. The second x come in here, and then is plus the second 2y come here. This one can also be written as 2 bracket x plus 2y multiplied by x minus 2y. Why is that so? Because A times B will have the same answer as B times A. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Did you manage to get all the answers correct?